My name is Sudhir and I am pursuing.
ఇంకా గట్టిగా మాట్లాడరా.
Fever వచ్చింది. Fever వచ్చింది.
Users,
Hello everyone, this is Chaitra. I'm studying B.Tech.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohit.
And I'm Sririthan. We are students from Aurora College. Right now we are interns at AKA Ramnasoft.
So in this 30 days of internship, we built a project that is EduMatch. So the main reason for building the EduMatch is many people are facing issues by joining colleges and all because there are so many options outside but don't know what to do and how to do. Based on all the inputs of the user, we'll provide him the best college. But the main goal of our project is not only college but also career.
He's my teammate and we've built this project together. It's called Ecstasy, the website, and we'll run you through it right now. It's for you to like book events based on your vibe. There's tech events, there's corporate events, and then there's also like live events like stand-up. There is concerts, what else? Parties and all of that stuff. Book your tickets and then just have some mad fun for like 2 to 3 hours of your life, and it's gonna be like kick-ass.
In our internship, we did a project named Intelligent Travel and Expensive Planner.
And it is used to book the flights and hotels and all itinerary and our budget plan in only one website. And it is developed using front-end and back-end.
the project which I have built is AI-powered local business and recommendation system. We have developed it by using AI.
In searching the restaurants and caves, the users will face difficult by searching many apps. Project is helpful to find the top-rated cafes and restaurants.
Project is financial behavior risk engine, where it is AI banking intelligence, where it tracks the users' performance and it also tracks the user spending behavior.
Based on our application, I have researched some expense tracker apps like Good Budget, Money5, like that, which track expenses. We have their drawbacks. They didn't track money and we have to manually add records like subscriptions. So we taken that as plus points and we initiated in our application. So we have future enhancements. We want to improve more in our project. Thank you.
Thank you.